Hey everybody, so I did it for you. I finally broke a carbon frame in my Park Tool bike stand. So my buddy had a carbon frame and he was kind of done with it. He was sick of it and, long story short, he gave it to me, he said do whatever you want. So the first thing I did was think of my viewers who told me not to put a carbon frame in the bike stand. So what I'm going to show you now is how much pressure it took on that clamp to break the top tube and the down tube. It's an oversized down tube and a kind of a irregular shaped top tube. But, I was able to do it and you're going to see how much effort it took me. So just keep watching here and, decide for yourself. So what I'm doing is I'm just knocking on the carbon frame here, and when you hear like a high-pitched sound, it means that the integrity of the frame isn't compromised in any way. Now, if you look closely here, you can see it looks like there's a crack, but I'm pretty sure all that is just a crack in the, like the veneer paint or whatever it is, the top coat. So here we go, I have it in. Now I'm just tightening it for the sake of tightening it. Now, one guy left a comment saying that he'd seen a guy break an aluminum tube in a bike stand, which, what? It's anecdotal, but I guess it could happen. So I'm going to try to do it here. And this isn't aluminum, it's carbon. So we're going to see how long it takes. So you can see here, I have it really, really tight, overly tight. And nothing's really happened here. I want to say that it's deformed. It kind of looks deformed, but it's not. So I'm just going to open it up here, take a look, and really, I'm just going to bang on it. You can hear that the frame's not really compromised. Now, that's if you were to believe this method of checking. So all that really happened here is there's just a little bit of, you can kind of see them, there's kind of little dings there on the, blemishes on the frame, and that's just from the clamp. So we're going to try to break it now. Here we go. So you can see there I pointed out that crack, and I don't really think it's the frame that's cracked. I think it's just, like I said, it's just kind of like the clear coat. So there you go. You can see there's kind of those blemishes there from the clamp. And I'm just going to give it a thumbs up. I couldn't break it, right? I know I said I did, but I didn't. Well, not that I could tell by checking. So we're just going to flip it over here and we're going to do this. I guess it's irregular shaped as well. This irregular shaped down tube. And okay, so at this point here, I have it tight. You don't need it any tighter than that. I've checked it. I've showed you. The frame's not really going to move, but I'm going to keep going because if you can break an aluminum frame in this stand, then you can most definitely break a carbon frame. So we're just going to keep going here. And that's really, really tight. It's still not broken. And I can only get it so tight. Oh, I don't know. Did you guys hear that? Dang. Now, in real life, it sounded really, really loud. And you can see there that the down tube, the bottom of it, it was a little bit deformed. It was really being pressed down. And so we're just going to take a look here. You can see. Let's see if we can see that crack. I could see it, but it's kind of difficult to see on the camera here. You can see there, I'm just pointing it out. It's cracked. I cracked it. And this is what people were fearing, right? In that other video where I got every comment in the world telling me how I don't know what I'm doing, blah, blah, blah. But look how much pressure it took for me to just make that tiny crack there. Now, I know carbon frames are extremely expensive and you don't really want to do this, but it wouldn't have happened. I had to really try to do this. It's a pretty light bike, so it's probably going to be the least amount of wrap possible to have the lightest frame. You know, it took me a lot just to make that little crack there. And you can see, some people are going to mistake that for that just being the clear coat on the frame. There you have it. I did it for you. I took, I guess these are pretty expensive bikes. So I took a carbon frame, I put it in the Park Tool stand, and, you know, I proved half of you right, and I proved half of you wrong. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. Just make your own decisions on what you want to do with your carbon frames. Like, you can't just say that you can't do it because you can. I've proven that in another video, and I've proven it in this video. But you can also say that you can if you put enough force. So, you know, maybe all we have to do is just explain ourselves just a little bit more detail, and then, you know, it actually gives context to our claims, and again, legitimacy to our claim. So, thanks for watching. If you like it, you know, tell me. If you don't, it doesn't really matter. It's not your frame. Okay, I'll catch you on the next one.